Okay, let's do a science experiment. Okay, this is a project for my school, so we can get a container that holds cat treats to make sure the cats don't steal treats. And all you have to do is cut off the lid. Don't use the one that you cut off because it's shut. Find a different lid for it. Might be big or small. And then grab some magnets. We can't use those small magnets because if the cats swallow them, they could have to go to the hospital. So we're just going to use these big magnets for this video. So you put one of the magnets inside of it, and then you put one on the bottom of it, like one or two, depends on how much you have, and it's good. And you need to put this on it, and your two extra magnets that we have. The cat decided to knock down the cat treats. That's why you need this. We have the bottom one that makes it so it sticks to the counter. We have the inside one that powers this up a little bit more. And we have the top magnet that holds the top in. We're going to test it out to see how good it is. I'm not giving you treats right now. I will in a minute, guys. Okay, I'll give my cat treats in a minute, I guess. It really works.
That's enough treats.
Okay, we got some treats in there. Hey, Ninja. Yeah, and your cats might be doing that for like 2 hours, trying to see how to get into it. Whenever you want, just pull the magnet off, set that down, and give your cat some treats. He's licking me. That's not where you get your treats. He's licking me instead of getting his treats. You got one? Here's your second one. Ninja, that was his. And then just put it back on. Good. But the cats might be begging for more all day. Thank you for joining us. Like and subscribe for more videos.